going in the ditch.
Welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today we are mowing at a place we call the depot because it is an old train depot, and I'll explain why it is the bumpiest property to mow ever. So this trail, pardon the wind, it's an old railroad bed. The old depot is this building out front there. Hopefully I'm out of the wind enough that you can hear me. Here's the old depot. It has been moved from right back here. So it was an active train depot for a number of years till they decided to close the line down. And now somebody attached it to this old building here. Cattle shed, maybe. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. The reason this place is so bumpy is because when they took the line out of service, they didn't remove the railroad ties. So grass has just grown over them, and you can still see them. All the way down. More railroad ties. All the way down. I missed it by 0.4. Oh well. Now that we have mowed the depot, it is time to mow the railroad area itself. And this trail is at least 2 miles long. So it's a long haul on a mower, but it's kind of fun. Railroad ties continue, by the way. Even across a road. It's a level B maintenance road, so it's pretty rough in general. So there were a ton of trees down here, and my co-workers Amanda and Mason cleared, I think, all of them. So big ups to them. Thank you. Now to see what we can mow. This trail's getting grown in by honeysuckle and autumn olive though. Ah! As you can see, the grass is pretty long, so I haven't been able to get back here for probably a month. I'm gonna be careful of drop-offs, though. Nasty stuff. Don't get that on you. This is the big tree jam that Amanda and Mason cleared today. Huge props to them. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a subtle hump right here. And beneath that, I mean, you can't really tell. Beneath this is one of the coolest looking things. And I'm gonna drive down there and show it to you. So I'm not gonna go down to the viaduct. It is on private property and it's all overgrown and I don't feel like picking up ticks, so I'll insert a few photos of it right here. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. Well, that's a little sketchy. Let's see if I can push this thing out of the way. May not be able to push this out of the way. Be enough to get around it. Without going in the ditch. Woohoo! We made it. I got my seatbelt on, don't worry. Well, the trail ends here at this old bridge.
railroad bridge, which is really cool. It's 30 feet up above the creek, and it's really pretty here.
Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.